has indeed been almost 1 year since I was appointed CEO. COVID made it a difficult year for all of us. But I have been very impressed by the way everyone at ASM has prioritized the health and safety of all of us, and at the same time put in great commitment and creativity to continue serving our customers in the best possible ways. Meeting in person is, of course, still very difficult, and I'm therefore really pleased with this opportunity to update our investors and other stakeholders through this video. In terms of direction and strategy, I would say that the company in the last years has been the right one. ASM has clearly been performing in a very strong way. However, we did decide to take certain actions to strengthen specific capabilities to prepare ourselves for the next phase of growth. ALD will remain our key focus. It continues to be a very attractive market with significant growth potential, and we aim for a continued strong position in the logic foundry segment, while over time increasing our position in the memory market. Epitaxy offers additional growth opportunities for us. We have been making good progress in R&D engagements, and we aim to further expand our market share. In view of all the opportunities ahead of us, and to make sure that we keep our lead, investing in R&D remains a key priority. We will also keep CapEx at a higher level for the next 12 to 18 months, specifically to expand and upgrade our R&D lab facilities. On the longer term, I think prospects for the semiconductor end markets are solid. Work from home and remote learning have accelerated the digitalization trends in our society. ALD is a key technology for our customers to develop the next generation semiconductor devices that will be required for new end market applications, such as in 5G, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. As a leader in ALD, ASM is well positioned to benefit from these long-term growth trends, and our goal remains to outperform the wafer fab equipment market over time. Regarding our new manufacturing facility in Singapore, I'm very happy to inform everyone that the construction of the facility was completed in the fourth quarter, and at the end of January, we finished the transition of all our manufacturing from the old to the new facility without any disruption to our customers. This is a very important new step in our growth story. It has immediately doubled our manufacturing capacity, and it has also provided us with increased flexibility to meet our growing customer demands. We have also paid special attention in the design of the facility to sustainability. It is a modern and efficient building that will help us with our goals to reduce our consumption of energy and water. In 2020, we delivered very solid financial results, and this trend has continued into the first part of 2021. In the first quarter, our sales grew 21% year-on-year, including a 6% negative impact from currencies, driven by a strong demand for our ALD products. After increasing the gross margin to 47% in full year 2020, we again delivered a high margin of 49.5% in the first quarter, supported by a favorable sales mix. The financial position continues to be very strong and allows us to invest in further growth of our company. And we ended the first quarter with a solid cash position of nearly 500 million euros. And we have therefore announced our plan to start a new 100 million euro share buyback program, which is in line with our policy to use excess cash for the benefit of our shareholders. In addition, we have increased the proposed ordinary dividend this year by 33% to 2 euros per share. For 2021, with the publication of our first quarter results, we have guided for high teens to low 20s% growth in the market for wafer fab equipment spending. Spending in the logic foundry segment shows a very healthy trend driven by investments in the advanced nodes, and that is the most important driver for ASM. We think the memory market is expected to show a further recovery this year, particularly driven by DRAM. And overall, we expect our sales in the second half to be at least at the level of the first half, which implies a solid growth for the full year. Thank you for your time today, and I hope the updates will be useful to you. We look forward to meeting everyone, either in one of our virtual sessions or in person when traveling and meetings in person allows. Thank you very much.